What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're going to be going to Project Torque. We're going to go be checking out with those guys, see what those guys are up to. We are going to be taking my extended cab truck. I haven't used it in a while. It's pretty dirty. I got all them pine needles on it and stuff like that. We're going to blow it off. Maybe even clean it at the shop. I don't know. See what those guys are up to. I kind of want to see if Freddie got some headlights for this truck. I kind of would like those all clear ones. These are actually brand new. I bought them when I redid the whole truck and they're still in great condition. So if I do end up getting some, I'll be selling these, give them to these the factory. So I'll probably even give them away or something like that. But no cracks on them, no faded. Like I said, we're gonna be going out to Project Torque, seeing what those guys are up to, and see what we get into today. So let's go ahead and go. Omar, what happened, bro?
I lost my mirror.
What was that?
Oh, the devil's trying to get me.
The devil's trying to get you?
Yeah, man.
You lost your mirror?
Huh?
You lost your mirror?
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, bad things always happen to me, but because, you know, my Lord Jesus Christ got my back.
There you go, there you go, there you go. That's the way to be.
So that's why I'm positive right now.
That happened today or what?
Yesterday when we went to go get some coffee.
Hey, but you do drive like a little reckless, bro.
Oh, that time I wasn't.
Ay, aquí anda el famoso de los hooligans.
My name is Rafael Torres of JR Fab, and this is my twin turbo Jeep.
¿Qué ha habido? ¿Cómo andan de lo llovido? ¿Llovió o no llovió?
Con madre pinche video. Pero la neta, no fue jump. No fue jump.
Es que no sabe mucho de carreras, guys. ¿Cuál jump? Ahí está el replay, ahí está el video. Mira, yo no lo puedo estar esperando. Si se durmió, ¿verdad?
Guys, what we're talking about, JR actually came on Hoonigans, this versus that. He actually raced Alex Choi, his Lambo, which is really fast. But there was a call that they said that JR jumped. I was like, man, he didn't jump. I even paused the video and like just make sure, like kind of slowed it down. He did not jump. So that's what we're talking about. Definitely go check out that video. JR's Jeep comes out there. You can see it in action. Pero ahí viene algo nuevo para la Jeep, ¿verdad?
Ahí viene algo nuevo, por 26, ahí viene por la revancha para el Choi. Un big shout out para el Choi porque I thought he was gonna be different. He's humble.
Don't portray people on how they are in videos. That people are actually pretty cool once you meet them and stuff like that. Don't ever go off of what somebody else says. You know, obviously have your own opinion off of people. So big shout out to Alex Choi, JR, they did their thing. Y'all be ready. Definitely check out Freddie's channel so you can see what's going on with his Jeep. Big things coming out. Hey, my boy Vargers getting down over here. That's the mechanic.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Always working, always working.
Always doing something, you know?
Got to, right?
Yes, sir.
Look at that, guys. Dual springs. For the green machine?
Yeah, for the green machine.
Damn, guys. This truck's gonna come out clean. Vargas doing all the work to it.
It's gonna be something else.
They ain't ready for it, Raleigh?
Nah. Stay tuned, stay tuned.
Yeah, this is another truck on Freddie's channel. You can also go to Project Torque Garage. That will tell you everything, Raleigh.
Yeah.
That one's like, it's pretty much letting you know everything that he's doing to his truck. So if you want to know what's going on with this truck, with JR's Jeep, which is right here, and like I said, the motor's out of it. Y'all want to stay tuned with those builds, definitely check out Freddy LSX on YouTube and Project Torque Garage on YouTube. Go check them out, guys. Alright guys, these are the headlights they got right now. I don't see the ones I want. I want the ones like kind of like this, that has this line on here, but it has this clear. I kind of want that just so it matches with the overall theme of the truck. I don't want to get black ones because nothing on that truck is black besides the window tint. I was trying to look for those. You know, we don't have them here. We might have to order them, or let's see if we can find them in the back. So let's go look in the back and see if we can find them. Guys, after some searching, I went ahead and found them. This is not the exact one I wanted. This one keeps on going. This is not the one I was talking about. I kind of just wanted the one that goes up here and stop, but this does have the clear side. And like I said, I found this one. We had it in a box in the back. So I think we're gonna go ahead and try these on, see how I like them with the wheels. So let's go ahead and pull up my truck, get the old ones off, and install these new ones. So let's go. Alright guys, that's the way it looks right now. What do y'all think? Should we do the clear? I think it'll look good. Get rid of that orange and have them with the clear. And then maybe eventually go ahead and get all the lights all white. I think I have that one yellow. So we'll make them all white, make them nice. I don't know what I'm gonna wire them up with. I don't know if I'm gonna do them with my daytime running lights or maybe my blinkers. I kind of don't want to do my blinkers. I kind of want them to stay on. So we'll see what we run them with. I'll get with Vargers, talk to him, get his input, and we see what we do. So let's go ahead and put these on and get them wired up also. Alright guys, and just like that, I got one side out. I still gotta do this side, but like I said, this is my old style, and then this is the new style. So like I said, the LED strip right here, and then the clear side marker is the only difference. But I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner with that all clear look. It's gonna give it that look I'm looking for on this truck. I think that's just one of the pieces that I needed to finish the outside of it. Obviously, we're still gonna get wheels. I don't know what wheels I want to go with. The reason I haven't decided on wheels yet is because I don't know what setup I want to do to this yet. I was thinking about doing an LSA setup on this with a 480 trans, and then putting some helper bags in the back, maybe use it for towing. I thought that would be pretty cool to tow a trailer with this truck, but then I kind of like the look of this with some welds and stuff like that. Obviously, I know it's a little heavier than your single cab truck, but I'm not trying to beat a world record or anything like that. I just want to go have fun in all my vehicles. So I don't know, I'm just a little undecisive on that. It would be awesome to make it a tow pig, so we don't know, we're still thinking. That's why I haven't decided on the wheel setup yet, but we are going to be doing something to this. When we haven't gave up on this truck, I'm still going to do a lot of things to the engine and everything like that. Either way, it's going to be a performance, no matter what it is. So like I said, let's go ahead and finish installing these headlights. Alright guys, I got the bottom ones on. Damn, that looks good already, guys. I think that's a perfect move with the clear all around. Can't wait to get the top ones installed. But there is two little wires that I gotta wire up for that LED strip, to turn on. So we're gonna give it my boy Vargers so we can make this light turn on. And I think that's an awesome upgrade just from simple little headlights. Right now, let's go get with Vargers and see what we need to wire up the LED. We're here with the master mechanic. He knows how to wire up all these things right here. So that's why I get with him. I want to get his input on where do I get to wire them. He does all the electrical work on Freddy's trucks, on customer trucks. So I trust him 100%. He knows what he's doing. So let's go ahead and get these LED strip wired up. All right guys, so Vargers gave me these little T's. He showed me where to wire them. So we're gonna wire them up. That way we can go ahead and turn them on. That way we can see the way they're gonna look with their new headlight housing with their LED strip on. So let's get to it. Check that out. LED strip is on. Man, that's nice. Let's go ahead and finish it. I am gonna have to change this, guys, to a clear instead of the amber light. I'm gonna have to change it to a clear, that way it's all white. But for now, that'll do. It is a LED, so it doesn't look bad. But guys, check this LED strip out. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that thing is nice and bright. So let's go ahead and finish up. I still got this side to do. And let's go ahead and get them on the truck. All right guys, we got the headlights installed. I think they look good. They still need some adjustment. I can see there's some gaps and stuff like that. I know with aftermarket headlights, especially on this year body style, they are very hard for them to fit perfect. But we're gonna play with them a little bit more. But for now, this is what they look like. So here you go, guys. Let me know what you think. I think they look good. Like I said, there's some adjustments that need to be made. There's little gaps and stuff like that, but it's no big deal. I mean, what do you expect with an aftermarket headlight like this? I've talked to numerous of people and they've told me that the aftermarket headlight for these trucks is like the hardest one to get to fit right. That's why I kind of waited so long to upgrade my headlights. They do look good with that all clear, which is the look I wanted. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know what you guys think I should do with this truck. Should I make it an awesome, badass tow pick, or should I make it an all-out race truck? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Big shout out to Freddie for those headlights. Definitely watch his channel, Project Torque Garage and Freddie LSX. Always keep up with the mayhem going on here at the garage. They're always getting into something. He has awesome content, so definitely check out his 2 channels. Keith,
Yo,
what you think, bro?
Yeah,
I changed my headlights.
those are badass. I like them.
Yeah, it's got little gaps and stuff here and there, you know, aftermarket stuff, you know?
Yeah, you could probably go through and fix it, get a little bit straighter, but overall makes it look está bueno.
Está bueno?
Bueno.
Yeah, está good. Maybe later on we'll do a blow through.
Yo, let's do it. I'll cut you a badass deal on a blow through. Everybody else is, oh, I don't know, I gotta cut a hole in my truck. I don't really want to do that. Come on, grow some huevos.
Huevos.
Let's go.
Keith always begs everybody to do a blow through on their truck, which is cool. It's a badass idea, and for what Keith likes, obviously he likes big bang.
Right.
But the thing with the blow through, you have to make a hole in your cab to the bed, which some people don't want to give up their space, or who knows, or like Keith says, they don't have enough cojones.
No, I get it. I mean, cutting through the bed and the cab, like something to patch that back up is going to take a lot of money. It's going to take a lot of time. But I mean, the kind of sound, the kind of performance you get from a blow-through box is like none other. I mean, you can't get that kind of sound from a subwoofer box under the seat. So I just need the opportunity. Somebody got to come, give me the opportunity, but there's somebody out there. There's somebody out there. They're gonna give me the chance, and I'm gonna show them like how I really do it.
So there you go, guys. If you want an awesome deal on a blow-through, stop by Project Torque. My boy Keith, he's gonna hook you up. All right, guys, well, there you go. Hope y'all like the way the truck looks now. Like I said, we're gonna keep doing more things. Let me know what I should do with this truck, if I should do it as my tow pick, or if I should go ahead and fix it up to race. So drop a comment, let me know, guys.